Beloved.
Yes, sir.
Helen. There are 2 English names.
Your surname.
Hello. Yeah.
Speak now. Do you remember a particular time that you were in Zion ministry?
Yes, sir.
And Zion movement outreach?
Yes, sir.
With Pastor Ebuka Obi?
Yes, sir.
And you said you own a house in WTC estate, a house worth, a mansion worth 300 million.
Yes, sir.
So is it true?
I'm still processing it. I've not concluded the payment.
Okay, so you said you built the house. You are still processing to build the house, or what?
I did not build it.
Yes. What did you do?
We are processing to buy it. Do you get? That's it.
Okay, you are processing to buy the house.
Yes, that's it. I've checked it. I've checked everything. I've done this thing, and
Yes.
the agent said that we should go to meet the landlord.
Please.
But you said
the prophecy. A prophecy came to you that you will make it, that everything will be fine, and you said you have already made it, that you now own the house. You are now a proud owner. Landlord of that house. That you have your evidence, and you showed them your evidence.
The house.
Yes. Did you say a thing like that?
Yeah, I should.
Did you? No, please explain to us. Did you say a thing like that?
I said.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you said the prophecy has come to materialization, and that was why you are showing your evidence, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you in any way own the house? Is that house yours?
It's not mine now.
What is the plot number of the house? What is the plot number?
What is the plot number of the house?
The house that you are processing, that
Yes.
what you pay instrumentally.
Their house is the plot number is I've forgotten the plot.
Where is the house located? Which estate is it located?
Inside the WTC.
Inside WTC estate.
Yes, sir.
Do you own the 3 mansions, or you own just one?
I don't own anyone.
Look at this, is a mansion built by a young lady. What are you waiting for? Boys, what are you waiting for? Lose yourself. Lose yourself. Hey!
Such ownership is not by anybody except by the Robocop company.
The truth is that this woman never want to talk truth. She never want to talk truth. But after everything, the truth must come out. God will expose all those people, their hand there in this thing.